Russia's top long-range attack drones, a Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-B, Hunter. Russia is accelerating the development of multiple long-range attack UAVs to compete with the US and China, who are ahead in the combat drone race. One of the Russian long-range attack drones under development is Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-B, Hunter. The S-70 Okhotnik-B, Hunter, is a stealth-capable combat drone being developed by Sukhoi Design Bureau and Russian Aircraft Corporation MiG. The drone made its first flight in August 2019. The unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, is expected to be delivered to the Russian Armed Forces in 2024. Anticipated to serve as a loyal wingman, the stealthy drone incorporates a flying wing design. While its composite fuselage is covered with the radar-absorbing paint, it is designed to offer a lower radar cross-section. Powered by an AL-31 turbojet engine, the UCAV can be installed with electro-optical targeting, communication, and reconnaissance payloads. With the maximum takeoff weight of 20 t, the Okhotnik-B combat drone is significantly bigger than its Western counterparts, such as Dassault Nuren and Northrop Grumman X-47B. The length and wingspan of the Hunter UCAV are 14 meters and 20 meters, respectively. The attack drone features two internal weapon bays to accommodate up to 2,000 kilograms of guided and unguided munitions, including air-to-surface missiles and bombs. It is expected to fly at a speed of 1,000 kilometers per hour and attain a maximum range of 6,000 kilometers.